Get that thumbtack out. Hi, it's like 12 in the morning, and I'm not gonna get a day off like I did yesterday because M-Step is cool. So today I'm gonna show you how to draw Sebastian Nicholas, Murdoch's daddy. So first, you're just gonna draw a circle because everything starts out with a circle. And then you're just gonna kind of like draw this eye and make it like super 3D and stuff. Then you just gotta draw that long ass Pinocchio nose. Oh yeah, that's so hot. Draw this like little 3D mold here. Draw this like 3D mold. I don't know how to draw. I don't know the rest of it. I know he has a really tall top hat, I think, which I think that's my kink. Let me look. Dad, tell me how to do this. Hold on, I need to look this up because I don't know how to draw our dad. I typed my password wrong. Tell me how to draw my dad. I can't see. Oh God. Okay, Sebastian Nicholas. Okay. Alright, Dad, tell me. Oh, yes, okay, so, after you're just gonna draw his, like, wide-ass grin. Make it, like, super kawaii. Oh, yes, this is so hot. Make sure you draw those pointy-ass teeth, even though he doesn't really have any, but whatever. Then you're just gonna draw his top hat, because I swear, that's my kink. I'm just gonna, you're gonna draw a red ribbon around. Oh God. And then you're just gonna draw some black hair coming from his hat, because you gotta know he's fucking, 2005 Willy Wonka. What's his name? I don't remember his name. And then you're just gonna draw, the camera focus. And then you're gonna draw like his hot ass neck. You're gonna do this for his clothes, and there you go. Now we're gonna draw his legs here, and he is the sexiest beast alive. Couldn't think of anything more sexy than this.